In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up data validation on your sheet. In the certain areas of a sheet, you only want people to be able to enter certain types of data. So I have 3 sections done here, and what I've done is I've grayed them out, and that's going to be the areas that we're going to specifically want a certain type of data. So on the Data tab, go to Data Tools on your toolbar, and we're going to go to Data Validation. Now, before I do that, I'm going to select all of this gray box that I've put here, and I'm going to click on Data Validation. Okay, so right now you can put absolutely anything in that gray value in this gray box. But now I would like to change it to whole numbers. And so I'm going to drop down where it says any value, and I'm going to select whole numbers. Now it gives you options. Do you want them between 2 numbers, or you can say above or equal to. And so I'm going to say it has to be greater than. Okay, let's say it has to be greater than 5. Okay, so now that's the first tab done. And now we're going to go to the input message. This message will allow people to click on these cells to be told what can be put in there. This is not mandatory, but it is helpful for some instances. So what you can write here is, this is the title, whole numbers. And then you can put an input message saying whole numbers above 5. Okay, so that's fine. Now we have an error message. So this is what's going to be displayed when you click on it. And the error message is if you didn't listen to this, and it's going to say that it didn't meet the criteria, but you can specify what criteria they haven't met. Okay, so number. So let's go OK, and let's try this out. Right now it says whole numbers above 5 because we have it selected. So we click away and we go back here again. It says whole numbers above 5. So let's put in a 3. Press enter, and the value does not match validation. So we go cancel. And so now let's go 5.5. And once again, it's greater than a whole number, so it's going to give you the error message. So we'll cancel that again. So what I use this more frequently for is for dates. It's like at the beginning of a year, how many times do you put in the wrong date on a check or whatever when you're entering it? So we're going to go and select this box below date. We're going to go to data validation and data validation. And what we're going to do is we're going to specify a date. Now, once again, I'm going to go greater than. And so let's only allow them to put in dates for 2023. And so I'm going to say greater than, and I'm going to put in 01/01/2023. And we'll say OK. Now I'm not bothering putting an input message in here. And I'm going to say OK. So now let's put in 5/6/2022, and it's going to give you an error message. Okay, so cancel. And so let's put in 5/5/2023, and it happily accepts it. Now, the last type of data validation I am going to discuss is the text length. So let's go and select this box for text length. Let's go to data validation and data validation. And so on this one, I'm saying less than 4, because, for example, if you only want initials put into a certain spot, you don't want their whole name. So people's initials don't tend to be longer than 4. And so we go OK, and then we go, let's put in and see, and then it gives you the error message. And then you can put in BHC, and it quite happily accepts it. So that's how you do data validation on an Excel sheet. Please subscribe.